How to reverse video on iPhone. Let's get started. Within iPhone settings, you won't find the option to reverse video. So what you have to do is download this app, CapCut. You can get this app easy from the App Store. Once completion of its download process, launch it, select the video that you want to reverse. Once you have selected it, at the bottom you're going to find a fin option. Click on the option of edit. Now scroll to the right, you're going to find a fin option. You'll also find the option of reverse. You have to click on it. Now it's gonna take few seconds to reverse the video. Once it has been reversed, you can play the video and check. So this way you can easily reverse video on iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.